Hey, buenos dias, everybody. I'm in Toledo today. So, still based in Madrid, I took a train, 30 minutes, very short train, to Toledo. So, today will be a Toledo day. And just a background about Toledo. So, in the before 1700, after Jesus Christ. So that was Roman. That was really an important Roman hub for transportation for the Roman. And in 700, the Moorish, the Islamic came and kind of take over the city um, and built their mosque for 300 years. And Toledo is the first city that the Catholic took over in 1000. So in 1000, the Catholic came over from all the cities in Spain. It's one of the first one that the Catholic took over. So the Moorish or the Islamic moved to Sevilla and Granada, and the Catholic take over and demolish their mosque and build their cathedral, and till and after that till 14500 years. Uh, that was the capital. That was the capital of Spain. So Toledo was the capital with Charles V. If you remember, in Granada, he built that little castle in the Alhambra. So that was Charles V. And after that, it's Philip II. Philip II was the king, and he want kind of demolish part of the plaza here to make it bigger, and the church said no. So Philip II decided to move the capital in Madrid. So at that point he said no, let's split religion with power. Let's make Madrid the capital. So after Toledo, the capital was in Madrid. So let's visit Toledo today. So it's a day trip, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Hola, everybody. This is Plaza Zocadover. So if you remember in my first original pitch, that the king said the plaza was too small and wants something bigger, so that's why he moved to Madrid. So this is the famous plaza, and we will revisit that plaza at the end of our day. And little fun fact this morning, you saw my picture earlier that the Toledo is on the top of the hill, and they have a escalator. So, but I missed the sign, so I took all the steps. So I can tell you that all my tapas and beer and wine that I took for the last few days are gone, because that was a big climb. So anyway, let's go, keep going. Let's go visit the cathedral. First activity of the day. All right, talk to you later. Hola, everybody. Just let you know that Toledo is very popular with armors, steels, knives for the medieval time. They were imported. They make it here, but they were also important for Islam. So it's a big deal here, but we cannot bring them back in US in our luggage. Sorry. Hola everybody, we are in the sacristy. This is kind of one of the main room of the cathedral. You have 19 painting of El Greco in the same room. So it's almost like a museum. Beautiful ceilings. And we'll go at the end to show you also the masterpiece of El Greco. Here's the masterpiece of El Greco, the spoliation. Beautiful. Hello guys, I did it again. That was the Toledo Cathedral. I really love it. So first it's just 10 euro. It's come with an audio guide that you download on your phone. So it's pretty easy. Make sure you bring your headsets. And I really love it. It's a beautiful cathedral. The only thing is maybe the audio guide, when you take a picture with your phone, the software freeze. I don't know if it's just my phone, but anyway, the software freeze. You have to come back, go back to the map, but it was fine. So we did the cathedral, beautiful ceilings, beautiful paintings of El Greco. I really love it. My only beachy thing is, but anywhere in the Spain, every activity I did, this one was worse. It's sorry, I don't want to be racist, but the Asian tour guides, they are rude. They step on your toes when you take a picture. They don't care. They just come right in front of your camera. You take a video, or they stay in a room forever. So it's anyway. Stay away from the Asian groups. It's not fun. So when you see one of them, just stay away and don't follow them, because they will ruin your pictures and your visit. That's it. That was my beachy thing of the day. Other than that, come and visit it. It's beautiful. So let's continue my tour. Let's have lunch a little bit. I'm kind of starving. And let's continue my tour of Toledo. All right, talk to you later. Bye.
En la tierra como en el cielo. Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día. Perdona nuestras ofensas, como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. No nos dejes caer en la tentación y líbranos del mal.
Hola everybody. Just to explain a little bit the last video you just saw. So I went to Santo Tome, a little chapel in Toledo. Um, it's a famous chapel because the painting that you saw at the back is one of the famous painting of El Greco, and they were celebrating a baptism of a little child, so cannot really talk and quiet, but that was kind of special a little bit. So yeah, so this is a chapel, Santo Tome, with the painting of El Greco in the back. All right, I continue my tour. Bye. Hola everybody, I'm right front of the San Juan de los Reyes Monastery. So I was looking for that moment because I was reading a lot about it. So first, that monastery was built for Fernando and Elizabeth to be buried, but they decide at the end, they built the big cathedral, but they decide at the end that it would be better to be buried in Granada, to more significant, to kind of tell the Moorish, the Islamic, that you know, the king and the queen were buried on their most famous site. So anyway, so the monastery now is here, and the famous story about it, if we look at the wall, you will see like chains. So those chains were used by the Moorish during the war against the Christian, and they were shackled the Christian with those chains. And when the war finished and the Moorish lost, the Christian bring back all the chains here and put on the wall. So at one point the wall was all covered of those chains. But of course, Napoleon arrived later and need some metals for his armors and stuff, and melt many of those. But we still have some remaining chains, that it's a big signification for the Christian to show that they were liberated from the Islamic. So this is my little story about that monastery, cathedral, something like that. I will go visit a little bit inside. All right, talk to you later. Hello guys, so we visit the church part and now we're in the monastery part, and I just want to show you here. It's beautiful. So we are in the church part, the monastery part, and those ceilings in wood are magnificent. Hey everybody, how are you? So I did it. So I visit Toledo on a Saturday. It was beautiful. So the cathedral, Santa Tome, the monastery, and I recommend to come over and take the train from Madrid. It's beautiful. Hey, also by the way, after the cathedral, before the cathedral, it was very quiet, but after I exit the cathedral, the city was like mobbed, was like so many people, but it was still fun. a lot of restaurant, terrace, and everything. So I'm on my way to the train. The train is like in a half an hour. Take the train back to Madrid. So, all right. So have a great day. So talk to you later. Bye.